Welcome back, guys. No, New Year. Happy New Year, I mean. I got a couple of random packs here for you guys. I meant to do this video sooner, but had a lot of things to do, and yeah, but random packs. I got this bundle of Shiny Legends, Cosmic Eclipse. I didn't open any of those yet. That's gonna be my first. Sorry about that. That was gonna be my first time opening Cosmic Eclipse. Another loose pack and Lost Thunder. So let's get into it. Let's start off with these loose booster packs here. Yeah, but as I was saying, I meant to do this video earlier. Didn't have time, just doing a bunch of other stuff, so finally got the time to do it today. See what we get. So it's the New Year's, guys. How are you guys doing? So far, so good. Okay, reverse and a regular dud. Let's get right into this Cosmic Eclipse. I'm glad that the holidays are over. Just too much money spending on holidays. We had Thanksgiving. Went down to, Christmas. Well, first Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and then New Year's. That was just okay. Tag team card right here. That was just a little too much going on there for the holidays. Okay, our reverse rare and another dud. Let's get going. How about let's go with Shiny Legends. I was debating if I really wanted to open this, but I gotta open it. I got another box of this, so I'll just keep that one, and I'll open this one. Start off with Pikachu here. So of course we got our pin. Lovely pin there. Beautiful pin. Then we got our Pikachu here. Set that right there with the pin. Here's the code card for you guys. Shiny Legends. I don't even know if these code card works anymore. Might as well just open up this pack with it. There goes our Mewtwo. Mewtwo card. A code card for you guys. So we got 6 packs here. See if we could pull any shinies off of these. I already got the whole collection of this of Shiny Legends, so some more will not hurt. Like I said again, I don't even know if these code cards work anymore. Venusaur, Spiritomb, and we got reverse rare Verizon Wireless for our holo Mewtwo pack. Okay, just gonna zoom past these real quick. Okay, reverse and another Reshiram holo right there. So 2 out of 2 hits. Oh, I forgot. Is this? I believe there's every holo in this. I don't remember. Was there every holo in this pack? Let's see. I believe there were. No. And Mewtwo GX, guys. Beautiful card. I actually pulled the full art version of this guy. Beautiful card there. Mewtwo GX. Added to the collection. I actually don't have my sleeves here, so I'll just set this guy right up here. Not prepared yet. 3 more packs to go. So 1 GX out of 1 box. Let's see if we can make it 2 GXs for 2 boxes. Fire Energy, Incineroar. Keep this going. Reverse Pikachu and bam. So I believe it was, you know, 1 holo per pack. So I'm mistaken about that. Oh, this guy's pack just kind of fell apart. Energy. And for our reverse and shiny card right here. I actually pulled this my first Shining Legends video. I actually pulled this card right here. Beautiful, but it was super off-centered. Beautiful card. Not in perfect condition, but beautiful shiny card. I wish they made more cards like this. The new shinies that came out in Hidden Face, they're okay, but only if they look like this. I like this a lot better. Okay, get this going. I feel good about this pack. Reverse and boom, Entei GX. Unfortunately, I pulled this guy already too, but beautiful card right there. I don't know. Look at that shine right there. Beautiful. Now I just gotta find the other Entei, because my room is a mess right now. It's just all over the place. My Pokemon cards are just all over the place, so I gotta find that card and put it together. But anyways, last packs of the day. Cosmetic Eclipse. The pack is kind of crooked there. I'll save that pack for last. The crooked pack. That's the crooked pack. There goes our promo card. Code card for you guys. Let's go out with little babies here. These packs are a lot harder to open. Or at least this one. Okay. Having technical difficulties. There we go. Boom, code card. 3, 4. Energy, Erica. Okay. And for our reverse, it is. Oh, that's Palkia in the back there. And boom, Charizard, Braixen GX, guys. First pack. First pack. Beautiful card here. Beautiful Charizard card. Put that guy right here. This is actually a pretty good pull right here. You know, we got 2 GXs, 1 shiny, and another tag team GX card right here. Last pack. This is the cricket one is right here. This is getting ahead of myself here. See what else we could get off of this guy. Erica Ralphs. And for our reverse, it is Slugma and regular Dud. Last cosmetic Eclipse. Couldn't think of the name there. Brain fart. Cosmetic Eclipse pack. What can we pull? Or can we end with? Can we end with a GX? And a reverse. Okay, and unfortunately we did not end with a GX, but just a dud. But, oh, knocked my camera there. We did get some amazing pulls there. Wasn't bad at all, I say. Some of the best pulls I ever done. Starting off 2020, great here. Charizard Braixen Tag Team. Shiny. GX. And another GX. All in all, that wasn't a bad opening, I say. But, you know, first video of the New Year's. Thank you guys for coming back and watching my videos. You know, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.